In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a brochure in LibreOffice Writer step by step, even if you've never done it before. This is a simple and practical way to create a clean brochure layout for school projects, business flyers, event handouts, or any document that needs a professional look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it launches, create a new Writer document. This gives you a blank page to start building your brochure from scratch. If you already have LibreOffice installed, you're only a few clicks away from setting up the layout. Now, look at the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Page Style. This is where you can control how the page is set up, including size, margins, and orientation. For a brochure, we want the page to be wider than it is tall, so change the page orientation to Landscape. This gives you more horizontal space to work with, which is perfect for a brochure layout. Once the page is in landscape mode, go back to the top menu and click Format again. This time select Columns. A brochure usually looks best when divided into multiple sections, and columns help you organize your content neatly. Choose 3 columns for the brochure layout. This creates 3 clear sections across the page, making it much easier to add text, images, and headings in a professional way. After that, start adding your brochure content. You can begin with a strong heading in the first column, then add supporting text underneath it. In the other columns, you can place more details, images, contact information, product highlights, or any message you want to include. Try to keep the content balanced, so each column looks organized and easy to read. If you want your brochure to look more attractive, add images where they fit naturally. You can insert pictures related to your topic, such as a logo, a product image, an event photo, or a background graphic. Just make sure the visuals do not overcrowd the page. A good brochure is clean, simple, and easy to scan. You can also use headings and subheadings to make important sections stand out. This helps guide the reader through the brochure and makes the layout look more polished. If needed, adjust font sizes, bold keywords, and use spacing to separate different parts of the content. As you build your brochure, keep checking the alignment of the text and images inside each column. You want everything to flow naturally from one section to the next. If something looks too crowded, shorten the text or move elements around until the page looks balanced. Once your brochure is finished, save your work so you don't lose any changes. You can also export it as a PDF if you want to print or share it easily. That way, your brochure will be ready for use in class, at work, or for personal projects. So that's how to make a brochure in LibreOffice Writer, using a landscape page and 3 columns. It's a quick and effective method that gives you a nice brochure-style layout without needing any advanced design software. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.